Okay, everybody now. What? Now you see, there's a lot of competition among the candidates when you are performing progressive group. And therefore, some candidates may not be able to give workable ideas. So when the group is divided into two subgroups, the competition amongst the candidates is also effectively reduced to 50%. Therefore, you get a much better chance to give your ideas. So you must try and make the best use of this opportunity to do better. Any doubts?
No, sir.
You get 15 minutes for tackling this stuff. How much time?
15 minutes.
All the rules applicable in PGT are applicable here also, except for the group rule. Why except for the group?
Because there's no second obstacle to go to.
Absolutely correct. It is applicable when you have more than one obstacle to tackle. Here there is only one obstacle. So group rule only is not applicable. Clear it?
Yes, sir.
We can send the blank. Now give me the balloon. But we should move one person ahead. You put your leg there, try. It will swing. It will swing. Okay. Most of the time you go down. Okay.
Do not take much time. Wait. Before you do that, place the pipe. Pipe को रखो, plank उसके ऊपर रखो. No. Horizontally.
Below the slide.
Below the plank. Right? Now the rope will not go down, otherwise the rope will go down.
Now we can do it.
Tie the rope now.
Yeah. Come on. You got this.
थोड़ा सा बस इतना काफी.
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, this is good. More like that.
ठीक है. Let him go. Nothing will happen.
You have to shift and go to that.
Go.
एक step
Don't worry.
पहले
Nothing will happen. Good.
I think I should.
Workable idea.
Yeah, go.
पाइप नहीं निकालना है. क्या कर रहे हो?
I thought it would be more stable than
What do you need for stability?
counterweight.
Counterweight is the top of the bench, and you have a fulcrum, right? So there is no requirement. Always keep the logic in mind, and if you have any preconceived idea जो आपने कहीं और सीखा है, please don't apply. Think before you do anything. दिमाग लगाना बहुत जरूरी है. कट पेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने कुछ YouTube में देखा हो, इंटरनेट में देखा हो, किसी और से सीखा हो, उसको पहले सोचो कि ये लॉजिकल है कि नहीं है, तब तो अप्लाई करो. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't do it blindly. Always have logic in mind. Right? Please continue. Yeah. Always keep your foot ahead of the fulcrum. अगर आप यहाँ रखोगे तो क्या होगा? It will get dislodged. इधर ले आओ, दोनों ends अपनी तरफ ले आओ. No, not like this. Bring both the ends towards you. इसको और लूज करो. कंटिन्यू और करो. ओके, उसको नीचे से निकालो. राइट. नाउ फर्स्टली मेक द लेंथ ऑफ बोथ एंड्स इक्वल. हो गया? ऑलवेज टाई द नॉट ऑन द साइड. एक नॉट और लगाओ. टेक इट बिहाइंड. Now keep the plank down and tight. It will be a stable arrangement. और पीछे लो थोड़ा. बस. Good enough. Okay. तो आगे पुश करो.
जब ये टास्क दे रखा
You are using it as fulcrum, right? And now you put the plank.
use that vertical pole behind जब भी तो 8 that side. The other side.
This is fine discrimination that you have to learn.
हमारा
हमारा एक आइडिया दे रहा था कुछ नहीं करना वो वाला सब आगे होता है